Hey guys, Barty Toto here, and today I'm going to show you a strategy on LinkedIn that most people are not doing. And I know some of you know me, some of you don't. If you are on LinkedIn, make sure you follow me at Barty Toto, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram as well at Barty Toto. I'm a New York Times author. I have a book called The Power of Asking, and I have another book called Disrupt Your Brand, along with Kids for Gratitude for Parents and Educators. I've been in the branding arena, marketing arena for 27 years. I teach outside of the box, insane branding strategies and methods that nobody else is using or doing, using asking and gratitude. Know how to get on the front page of YouTube with any phrase or keyword in a matter of seconds. So I teach something called the invisible branding method to get leads and traffic chasing you and to change your business within 48 hours. So click the link below to have access to the webinar this coming week. So I'm on LinkedIn right now, and as you can see, what I suggest if you don't is to get a banner. First of all, you can see mine says Empower, Educate, Inspire, and Gratitude. That's my first suggestion. And if you need help finding someone to design something for you or to do it for you, you can contact me. I have somebody that will actually do one on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, all across the board, and very reasonable. And you can send me a message on Instagram for that. So on LinkedIn, I want to show you something. You have with someone's profile, you know, the first thing they see is about you, okay? And then, you know, down here I have my creator mode on, all right? And then you have my featured post and then activity and so forth. And then you have my about, and then you have my experience. So it's the CEO of Barty Toto Media, founder of Gratitude Life magazine. I do consulting and coaching for the Power of Asking and so forth. So mine looks different than most people's, okay? Most people do not look at your experience because it looks like, I was just on my friend Lisa Nichols, and I'm going to pick on her for a second. So Lisa was in the movie The Secret, all right, and so forth. And so if you go down to her profile, let me go there. Went too far, view full profile. All right, so this is Lisa's profile, and you see it just says experienced founder and CEO, author, and nobody looks at that. Like, it's boring. I'm like, okay, so that's what she's done. All right, but there is a tip and a trick I'm going to show you. This is what I call how I train and brand people different than everyone else. So you're going to see my training style, and I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear, but what works and what doesn't, okay? I'm going to show you how, not tell you what to do. That is my philosophy. So going back to my page, all right, I'm going to go to me, view profile. I'm going to show you what mine looks like and how I stand out from everyone else. One, I have the banner. Two, it's attention getting. Three, here under experience. Now, you can come here and you can edit the experience section, all right? I gotta close this out. So under experience, I want to show you. All right. Now, if you have nothing to experience, you better put something. So you click on the pencil, okay, and it has, you know, CEO, employment type, you know, all right, Barty Toto Media, all that good stuff, all right? And then I need to, of course, put my description in. And so the headline is the headline from your LinkedIn profile. Okay? And what you can do is you can actually add media. So you click on add media and you can add a link or upload media. All right? So you can add a link, all right, and type in like a video. So for instance, I was just interviewed on ABC on the Great Resignation. They asked me expert advice about how to utilize social media to find a job and what suggestions I had. And so I gave them. So what I did is I went to the TV channel and copied that link and put it in here. I also was in Entrepreneur Magazine and did a podcast, so I went to that link on the internet and copied it and put it in here. What I also did was I put my website in here, as well as I uploaded a couple of pictures. So I think you're only allotted 5 medias, but so that's why I'm not typing in anything. So we're going to pretend that I typed something, and then you click add and apply. So what happens when you do that is you'll see my media. So this is my bartytotamedia.com. The interview I was on with the Great Resignation, the Entrepreneur Weekly podcast. Then I have another, homepage, and then my interview on the power of asking, because I coach and train people on the power of asking, how to take their business to 6 figures by asking online. Because a lot of people, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And a lot of people don't know how to ask online, and they're afraid of asking, or they have issues with asking. So that is how it looks. And so when I hit save, all right, it comes like this. And then of course down here I did the same thing, and I added some photos on the coaching and consulting, one with Gary Vee, Michael Beckwith, and a couple with the Dallas Cowboys. And to see all the media, I actually have Entrepreneur Magazine, and then a picture with Sammy Hagar. So then it makes you stand out different than everyone else. Now, I haven't gotten to the rest of them because I'm going to update my profile today, but you can see that when someone looks at me, it's like, wow, okay, they can click on, my links to get to know me better, or see my expertise or experience, or like, wow, she, does this, she does that. Because, I've gotten to the point where I brand people and I get people on social media in such a unique way. I get leads and traffic chasing me. So it's how I've gotten the attention of, Starbucks following me, Entertainment Tonight following me, American Airlines following me. And I don't say this stuff to impress you, but to impress upon you that I'm no different than you. I was a nurse. I took the love of helping other people onto the internet. I started my own branding and marketing company. I just do stuff different than most people. I train different than most. So I train in a way where people are like, I've never seen this before, and I'm actually giving you the tips for free. So you can imagine what my membership site looks like if this is, at no cost. So that is it. That is how you change your LinkedIn profile. And so, I'm going to go in today under Gratitude Life magazine and add the website here. And I'm going to change some of my descriptions and make sure that everything is, I put, I can change your business in 48 hours, which is true. And then you can, for whatever reason, I'm going to have to delete this experience because, how a minute ago I could click on add media and it worked, but for whatever reason on this particular, link, it doesn't. And I think it's because I actually have myself as the founder and not the CEO. And I tested it last night. So I know that certain things that you can add as a CEO versus not. So anyway, that is it. It's just, make you stand out and look different. So if you're a musician, you can actually add YouTube videos. If you are, whatever business you're in, you can add whatever videos and pictures, but add the most important ones so that people can see it and it's attention getting, and it gets them to know more about you, because people have a nose problem. The number one publication in the world is the National Enquirer. People want to know who you are, who you are. Just like on Facebook, 99% of you do not have your Facebook profile set up correctly. 99% of you do not have your LinkedIn profile or your Twitter or your Instagram profile set up correctly with search engine optimization. And most people don't know that even exists. So you don't know what you don't know, but I'm here to show you crazy strategies that can help you. So if you need to get in touch with me, I do a 15-minute consultation. You can go to bartytotocoaching.com, but this will definitely help you.